You're welcome. In this video, I'll explain you the project IPL ticket booking. So this project is developed using Python and it's a Python web application project. So here we are using XAMPP server to run this project. So XAMPP will have Apache server and also it will have MySQL as a database. So we are using both two and utilizing this, we are running this project. So this project is useful for all the computer science students. So we're doing BE, BCA, BSc, BTech or Diploma. And you all know if you're learning Python, you're supposed to do a project. Or as per your curriculum, in a particular semester, you need to do a mini project or database project or web application project. In that case, this video definitely will help you to understand how to make the project and how to run the project and how to explain and how to answer the Viva questions. A lot of things you'll learn from this video. So watch the video and possible write down all the designs and then you can try and you can develop this project your own. So when you done the project your own, you'll be proud and you'll learn a lot of things and you also easy for you to execute and explain to the teachers. So I'll explain briefly this project, but in detail we explained the other project. So that there we are explained all the things from the scratch to end. Therefore we request you go to that video. So first start YouTube and search for Highblix tutorials, and here you can see Highblix tutorials. And if you go to videos, you can see that there is a banking Python web application project. So if you watch this video, you'll get a complete idea. Apart from this, you can also learn how to install XAMPP server, how to install Python, and also you can see that a lot of videos are available over here. So please watch them and learn, and then you can come back to this video and understand this how this project works, and you can able to write this project your own. So also please subscribe to our channel. So by clicking here, you can subscribe to our channel. So that will help us to improve our video qualities and we can bring more videos. Also, whatever you feel, you write it in the comment box. If you have any problem, please write it in the comment box. Let me know that, and in a future videos, we try to add up that content in the videos. So I'll demonstrate the project for you now. So I'll assume you'll going to watch the banking video. So I'll not take much time to explain this. What I'll do is here I straight away go to I'll run this project. So here you can see that this project IPL cricket booking. So this is the folder name PYP105 IPL cricket ticket booking. So naturally this should be there inside the HTTP docs. Here is the folder and these are the files actually. And this is the admin part. So you already know like how to log into admin and all. So the straight away we are in admin. So in the admin, what all you can do here is you can enter the stadium details and we can see the corresponding list, and we can enter the ticket price. We can see the price list and the customer list. Overall customers sign up with our website. We can able to see it here. And this is the booking list. As the mini project is concerned, if we complete this much, it'll do the job. Apart from this, we have FAQ. FAQ is frequently asked questions. We can enter the question and answer here. So first I'll go to stadium details. So here you can enter the stadium details. So I'll write Chinnaswamy Stadium. Right, so this is a stadium name. So then you write more detail about this. Address, it's in Bangalore. I'll straight away write Bangalore. Total capacity, it's around 6,000. Right, what are the facilities? Good facilities. Actually, you need to write down all the facilities. Probably you need to go to web and there you need to find out this stadium. We need to write down and bring and you have to type it over here. But roughly I'll put the information. So see to it like this working fine. That is what we want to check it out. And here is the city name. So multiple cities provided. It's in Bangalore. Then I click save. When I click save, this data should go to the corresponding table. So here I'll show you the table. So we created all the tables here. This is the stadium table. Once you save this, this should come to this particular table. So if you go to phpMyAdmin, you can able to see this table here. So this is the stadium table, and here you can see that one stadium data is already entered. Now I'm going to save this one. When I click save, so it's saved, but you can see here if I refresh this, you'll have one more Chinnaswamy Stadium. So it transfer to MySQL. So here you need to understand how to write the code for this. Okay, when you click this, we'll take to the page called as the admin-stadium.html. I'll show that page for you. So this is the admin stadium. So you can see that this is the HTML file. So if I open this file, so you can see that this is the content here. So this is the heading, and then this is the script to check whether you entered in the text box 1 or not. Then we'll check the capacity, you enter the number or not. The next one is this is the form tag, and here you have the text boxes. So this is the text box 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is the list actually, that is 6 actually. Then facilities available is a text file. Totally 6 fields are there. When you click the save button, so here is the save button. When you click this, we'll call the function return validate. When you call the return validate, this function will go to form on submit return validate. You should execute this. So correspondingly, it will take to the admin stadium save.py, this particular file. Now I'll show you that file. So this is the admin save, this is the one. So here is the code for this. See that this is the Python location file, and this is the content type text and HTML, and this is the MySQL connector, and we are using importing CGI, and this we are reading the text boxes and we are passing to the corresponding variables. This is to connect to the SQL server, this is to open the cursor, and this is one variable we have insert statement, this is another variable we have values. Then we are executing here cursor one dot execute. When you execute this, it'll transfer all the values to the table. Then we are committing it. Commit means you are saving. Then we are closing the cursor, we are closing the database, and then we are sending back to the main page. So that is admin main.html. So this is the code required to save the record. So please check out the banking project. There also we'll explain in detail. So please learn it, like how to save the record, and then you have to write, and then you have to experiment it. Then you need to execute that one. Fine. So now this is over. So I'll go to admin main. Then ticket price entry. So I'll take Sardar Patel only. There is this stadium ticket prices I want to enter. I'll take C block. C block, let's say there is 1000 tickets, and this is cost 10,000 rupees, and save. And if you go to ticket price list, you can see that Sardar Patel Stadium. So we enter A block, B block, C block. Price is 2,500, 5,000, 10,000 like this. So then FAQ entry we can do, right? So then I can come back to customer main. I logged in already because I sign up and I logged in here. So you can see the stadium list, different stadiums the user can view it. Then ticket price list. So what are the ticket prices? Even they can see that. Based on that, now they can book the ticket. So when you click the book the ticket, so this is the customer by 01.py. So here is the file. So this is the common, and this is to import a MySQL connector. This is the connection, this is the cursor, this is the select statement. So what we'll do is from the ticket price tab, we are selecting all the records, and then here we have a for loop. So using the for loop, we'll display all the records, and then for first column, we make a link such that when you select that particular stadium, it should take to the customer by 02.py. So therefore this variable value should go to the customer by 02.py. So this is how it looks like. So when I click this, so it'll take to the next page. Here you can see T code is equal to 1003. So that code will read in the customer by 2. So you can see that field storage form get value T code. So that 1002 will be transferred to T1. Then again we'll write the query over here. Okay, here we're displaying the value. So we are displaying the ticket type code, what code it is. Now here you have to enter the quantity, how many tickets you want. You want 2 quantities, and then you have to submit. So when you submit, again you will take to the by 3. So here is the code actually. So on click admin main, and here is the submit. Okay, so here is the form. This is the form tag, and this is the open form tag. So it should go to customer by 03.py. So let's see that what is there in the customer 3 by. So here is the customer by 03.py. In this file, again we'll read from the text boxes, text box 1, text box 2, and then we select the ticket price from the ticket price tab. where type is equal to T1, and then we are transferring the value to the T price variable. From that you can multiply this. Here is a multiplication, number of tickets and the price will be multiplied here, and will display all the data using this HTML code. So here you can see submit. So there's 103 to 5,000 rupees the ticket price, totally 10,000. How do you make the payment? Credit card, debit card. So here using the credit card, then you can enter the name paid Canara Bank card, CAN card. So it's only indicative, it's a dummy payment, and then submit. So that means you have booked the 2 tickets. You can see that 100 is the booking number, this is the date, and this is the ticket type, this is the quantity 5,000, 10,000 the total. Now admin also should know this, right? So for that we have a booking list here. You can see 103, the date and time, and this is the number, this is the quantity, this is the price, and this is the total price. So admin will know that, so you have purchased these 2 tickets. So both the sides, the communication is established properly, the whole project is working. That's how we need to write the complete project. So hope you understand this. If you have any doubts, any query, so please write it in the comment box, and please send to us. Let us know what you're thinking. And please don't forget to subscribe. So click subscribe to subscribe, and please suggest to your friends, because if in a team you want to do a project, so watch some videos, understand the each project, check it out which one is good for you. Whereas in IPL, if you are a cricket lover, you can choose this one. If you are into want to get into health insurance, you can select this project. You are more interested in the car showrooms and all, you can like, so based on your interest you can select the project. Okay, thank you very much for watching. So see you again in another video.